Hi guys, for absolutely no reason other than because I can, I've converted my grandson's KnotBot that we built the other day to full hobby grade radio control. So I'll have to zoom the camera out again so you can actually see it going. So we'll have a closer look and see what I've done. Well, first thing I did was I put this big gear wheel over the steering because I was going to make it toy grade and put an electric motor to drive that gear around and steer it. And then I thought, why go to that effort? If I go straight to hobby grade, life is much easier. So we've got an ordinary servo there, hobby grade servo, bit of bent paper clip, so that actually pushes the steering. Oh, still got it switched on, so there we go. So that's our steering. The existing electric motor, I've just put hobby grade connector on it. So we can plug that into the ESC. Got a very small LiPo battery and a FlySky 3-channel receiver. And that's it. That gives us full hobby grade control of the KnotBot. Because I can.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.